My name is Anna Anderson, and I'm from Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm the Minister of Music and Missions at Rosemary Baptist Church in Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina, and CBF field personnel working in the Eastern North Carolina Poverty Network with my husband, LeCount Anderson.
I've given my life to serving Christ. Most of that time has been in the church. But why I do what I do today is because I get to take my Bible and I get to share Christ with somebody that really needs to know. I work at a homeless shelter called the Union Mission. It is located in Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina. I serve as a chaplain there. We also work with not only homeless men, but we also distribute food to the community.
We're all partners. Everybody has something they can use for God. Everybody has something they can do that's unique and that is special, and that is our way of being able to serve God in the world that He's placed us. It's exciting to me to see how we can begin to help other Christians, people who are already connected in church, they already give to missions, they're already aware of missions. They don't really quite know how they can help individually. And that's one thing that I want to help do, is help people understand how they can use their own resources and their own gifts and what their own calling can be to minister to their community right outside the walls of their church.
And we have planted a community garden that is beginning to harvest some produce. And our plan is to add that to some things that they're already doing in the community to help with food relief, because people in Eastern North Carolina, the money just doesn't make it to the end of the month, and many times we run out of food. And so in whatever way we as a church can help by giving food to others, we want to do that. And by the way, while we do that, we'll tell them about Jesus too.
I believe in the church. I have hope in the church surviving, and I want people in churches to be about the work of missions.